I have to drive Lisa to school. She has an important talk today. She was really excited yesterday. I hope she's doing better. Good morning, darling. You've got to get up, Lisa.
I'm afraid, Dad.
You don't have to be afraid.
Today is my talk.
You can do it. I believe in you.
What if I don't make it?
Don't think about that. You're going to do a great job.
I hate giving talks. I'm always really excited. My teacher is going to give me a bad grade. I've prepared myself well, but I'm still afraid. I'll do my best. I hope it works.
I made your favorite meal, Lisa. I hope that cheers you up.
Thanks, Dad, you're the best.
We need to leave right away. Otherwise, you'll be late.
I don't want to go to school. Can I stay home?
No, Lisa, you go to school. You must lose your fear.
I'm going to give it a try.
Let's get going.
Okay, Dad.
What exactly are you afraid of, Lisa?
From the fact that I can't find the words.
But you've been practicing the presentation, haven't you?
Yes, I've been practicing for a week.
Don't worry. You're well prepared. You can do it, darling. I know it.
Thanks for your help, Dad.
I'll pick you up at 2 p.m.
It starts in 10 minutes. I have to give the presentation in front of the whole class. You can do it, Lisa.
Good morning, dear students. Today is a special day. Lisa is giving a talk today. Lisa, please come forward.
I'm coming, Mr. Coons.
You're welcome to start.
Good morning. I'm going to present my talk to you now.
Wow, Lisa, that was a really great talk.
Thank you, Mr. Coons.
Congratulations. You'll get the best grade for that.
Yes. I've done it.
And darling, how was the talk?
It was great. Mr. Coons gave me a 1.
Wonderful. I'm really proud of you.
Thank you, Dad.
As a reward, you'll get an ice cream.
Really? Oh my God, thank you.
Let's go.